Thanks for joining me today for my unboxing of the Christmas products that I have received. I haven't actually opened them yet. I just broke the seal because it's a little bit noisy. And I received them Friday and I've restrained myself from opening. And also I received all my Christmas brochures Friday also, so really excited to start getting them out, and if anyone would like a hard copy, please let me know. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. Oh yes, a bag of air or two. Okay, the first item is the Palm Island Scented Diffuser. Now look at that beautiful box. You could just pop a ribbon on that and that's ready to go. Now this diffuser is $30 and let's have a look. Let's have a look at it. It's got the reeds in it. I won't pop it out. It's a beautiful product. It smells lovely. They recommend that you swap the ends, turn over the reeds every week to extend the life of your diffuser. So that's the first product, diffuser. The next product is the Champagne Blossom Hand Cream, and it's in a similar box there. Now this is beautiful, and I'll be having this in my handbag, so if you see me, stop me and ask me to try this beautiful hand cream. Look at that. That's beautiful. Smells good. Smells really good. And that is $15. And again, just a little simple ribbon on there is lovely. A lovely gift for $15. The next item is the Palm Island Scented Candle. Again, in a lovely box. I just get excited about packaging. I should get a life. Okay, here's this beautiful candle. Smells great, and also is a metallic lid to pop on it that you can also, when you have it lit, you can pop it on to protect your surfaces. So that's a beautiful gift, and that's the Palm Island Scented Candle, and that's $30. And they have, you can buy the scented candle and the diffuser for $50. What else is in this box? Oh yeah. This is the body care gift set. Check out the packaging on that. That is really nice. Now these are travel size containers of the gentle foaming body wash, the body cream, and the apricot sugar scrub. So they're all travel size, again in a beautiful gift box, or you could split it up and have 3 small gifts there if you like. But that gift box is at a special price for $30. So again, just with a simple ribbon and a gift tag, $30, wonderful gift there. Let's see what else I've got. Oh yes. For the lovers of makeup that are waiting for some Christmas colour, check out this beautiful palette. Very small. Oh, what is in a beautiful gift box again. Get it out. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Pop that in your handbag. And that's got three combinations you can use for your eyes and your face product, your blush. Isn't that beautiful? Have a look at that. And that's called the Luminous Luxe Palette. Now that beautiful palette is $30 and it's also available in a bundle with the lipstick, a mascara, and where is it? And the curler. It's not in there because I've already got one. So, okay, that's another beautiful item. The next one, oh, these are great. These are shimmer lipsticks. I'm just finding them. Shimmer glosses, and there's 3 great flavours there. That's the packaging. There's strawberry. There is Fruitylicious, and I think this one is the best. It's berry floss. Those 3 come in this little pack here for $20. So 3 lip glosses for $20. Now, so these products are all the new releases for Christmas. Now this is beautiful. Peaches and cream. Beautiful gift box again. Just open that carefully. Now this set is just $35 and it has a body scrub, a body wash, and a body butter. There you go. That's beautiful for $35. Again, just pop a ribbon on it. I will have these on display. Oh, I'll be at the Melbourne North Market this coming Saturday. What is this coming Saturday? The 25th of October. It's not too late to start thinking about Christmas. Okay, so that's a beautiful set. And the other things, the other new items for Christmas are these bags. So when you have a look at the brochure, you will see that the skincare, they've got the sets, and you'll get this lovely glistening bag. Ooh, there you go. We can't see it sparkling there. And there's also, for the makeup, a small one. There, that goes with when you buy the sets. So you could fit that Luxe, the palette, in there with anything else you need to take away with you. So that's basically the new releases. Take a look. There's a few other little odds and bods there. So take a look at the brochure on the link in the post. If you'd like a hard copy, let me know and I'll try to get one to you. And I will be at the Melbourne North Market this coming Saturday, and then I'll be at the Foster Market on the 8th of December, and there'll be a couple of other little markets in between now and Christmas. I will also be having a table at home set with all the Christmas products, so I'll be announcing some days that I'll have an open house for that. If you can't make it to those days, give us a call and we could organise a time and I can come home and I'll meet you and you can have a look at all the stuff yourself. Just a bit of a one-on-one. If you'd like to have a look at anything else, I'm happy to show you. Okay, that's me done for the Nutrimetics Christmas products. Check out the brochure on my website.